guys, welcome to Women's World. My name is Tokwesani. On today's episode, we'll be talking about side chicks. Who is a side chick? A side chick is somebody that you date in addition to having a girlfriend or a wife. And typically, this person is someone you date in secret. You understand? Listen, you can be a side chick for 7 months. In fact, people have been recorded to be side chicks for like a year, 2 years, 7 years. How do you identify if you're a side chick or, you're just the main chick that is not serious about? I'll be right back. We'll talk more. Welcome back, guys. As I was saying, who is a side chick? How do you identify? The first one is this. You are the one that is always making all the plans. He never makes any plans. Vacation plans, Christmas plans, birthday plans, anniversary plans. All those things. You are the one that makes all the plans. And listen, we know that there are some guys that they do not like making plans. That's okay. But then they prompt you. Babe, we went to that place last year. What are we doing this year? That is him trying to do something. The second one is this. He is unreliable. Last man catches you or something in traffic. You took one way. And you know deep in your heart that you cannot give him a call. Because it's either he doesn't pick up because it is morning. Or he doesn't pick up because it is night. Or he doesn't pick up for whatever reason. He is unreliable. Or even when he picks up, he tells you, hey, yeah, what are we going to do now? Oh. The third one is this. He only calls you when he's bored. When he's horny. When he's sad. Sis, are you a therapist? Are you a comedian? Are you a concert? Those are 3 signs already. What's the fourth one? The fourth one is, and I know this one kind of hurts, because a number of us, we know that, guys do this all the time and whatnot. But the fourth one is this. He doesn't try whatever reason to do what? To call you. He doesn't make any effort. You are the one that makes all the calls. You call morning, you call night, you call evening. Or even when he picks up the call, it's like, babe, I'm coming. And there's a time that he doesn't pick up. You understand? There's a time that even when you even text him, he replies maybe after like 1 hour or 2 hours. And even when he calls you, it's always like 11 p.m. Those kind of late night booty, what do they call it? Calls. That's the only time you get from him. And what's the last line? The last line is, you are the one that is trying to meet family members. You are the only person that wants to meet his friends. He's not interested in meeting your friends. He's not interested in meeting your mother. He's not interested in meeting your sisters. He's not interested in anything. Sis, I know that this hurts. To start with, try to get like just 1 glass of wine to calm down. Because see, soldier go, soldier come. We know that some guys would exhibit 1 or 2 of these characteristics. That's okay. That's fine. That's not an issue. But when he does all these 5 consistently, all the time, that's a sign. Take a moment to chill. Then go out with your girlfriends. Because like I said, men will go and men will come back. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Tokwesani. And also follow our social media handles right there. And also share with your friends, your family, and your sister circles. I'll see you guys next time.